My name is Kunj Patel and I'm your little scientist and I will get through an amazing experiment. So for that you require a bowl that could work in the microwave and my favorite marshmallows. And I'm going to show you how they look and you will get in any bakery under 100 rupees. And so you can see how it looks. They are very fluffy. That's why its name is Fluffy Marshmallows. And it is very soft. So this is for eating, which we are going to do, and it's a very good experiment. So for that we require a microwave too, or oven. So let's get right into the kitchen. First of all, I'm going to put 5 marshmallows. For how much you want. So now we will turn on the microwave. So you can see I have kept 5 marshmallows, and now we are going to open. First of all, we need to turn on the switch and then open the oven. I'm going to put the bowl and the marshmallows and close it. And now we are going to set timer of 10 seconds also. That's it. And we are going to tap in the middle. So you can see. Now you can see the marshmallows are glowing. Wait, they are glowing. We will open and see the size of the marshmallow. It's hot. So you can see, first they were a little bit small. And you can see they are also very fluffy now. See, they are mixed. So bowl you cannot see properly. So I am going to try it without bowl. So you can see, so very big marshmallow. Wow! It's a diet hack. So you can see they are now shrinking. They start shrinking. Now, one more time we will do. Now I am keeping this for 40 seconds. They are really big. Oh my god! Oh! Are they going to blast? Wait, I think they are becoming small again. Let's open fast and see. Oh my god, it's steaming. It's burning. It doesn't smell good. And they are very hot too. I'm going to take it with a knife. So you can see how they look. So guys, in short, the temperature should be only 10 seconds or over 10 seconds can cause burning. So this is super easy, and whenever you will get the marshmallows, try this. And that's for it today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.